Uamli barim na rilum jantia ublalong tengru umentri jokasor karjala ubane Nehlang Lyngdoh hakakhanru terik ulber arja arpuar ulapundrong yeladi shakaseng NPP. Lapdiang Purame ke jingwan rung umane Nehlang Lyngdoh do National President jokaseng NPP ukondat ke sangma. Habakran akan dikasi ukondat sangma uloang bagi jingwan penyesno jong umane Nehlang Lyngdoh kanang penklan jushu yakaseng.
And today is another very important milestone for us, where a very senior leader like Shri Nehlang Lyngdoh, who has been an MLA twice, a person who has always worked for the grassroots, a leader who is very popular with his people, today has decided to join the National People's Party. It's a great reflection of the trust that these leaders and their people and their followers and their public today has on the National People's Party. I believe that they see the National People's Party as a party that will take the state forward, is taking the state forward, and will continue to take the state forward in the future also. And that is why we are seeing people from different areas, regions, different constituencies today reposing their faith on the National People's Party. It's indeed a very great moment for us as a party, and I once again thank each and every one of you for having trust in the National People's Party, and I assure you that we will work together to take your area, your people and the state as a whole forward in all the endeavors and work that we do.
Nagaliang ubane lang habakran hakanigasengi ulai ke jero ekaseng NPP kablanang kiu kat banang mi kisngi baru kermen ru bakani kaseng kan yo ek jingjab kabapura haka election arja arpulai.